From previous video, we can see that placing another prism behind the first one can make the microwave, which previously could not pass through, now jump to the second prism, and it's finally detected by the receiver. Now we are going to investigate the effect of second prism to the internally reflected microwave. Let's adjust the angle to get maximum reading and the distance of the receiver to get to maximum scale. When the second prism is placed behind the first one as close as possible, the reading drops to nearly zero. Let's move the second prism further from the first to create gap while keeping some noticeable effect on the receiver's reading. You can see that the gap is significantly larger than in a previous video.